Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Tech Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best mini dash cam you can grab right now. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Van True. Let's get started.
Product feature.
Experience stunning 4K resolution powered by Starvis 2 technology, ensuring every license plate and detail is captured with incredible clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions. Drive confidently at night with advanced HDR night vision that intelligently balances lighting to deliver clear, reliable footage during those late evening journeys or dark commutes. Stay focused on the road with hands-free voice-activated commands and enjoy lightning-fast 5G Wi-Fi for effortless file transfers and control directly from your smartphone. Rest easy while parked thanks to the 24/7 buffered parking mode and Starlight Night Vision, which detects and records even the smallest movements around your vehicle for total security. Built to last, this dashcam features a robust supercapacitor specifically designed to withstand extreme heat and freezing cold, ensuring reliable performance in any climate. Never worry about running out of space with support for up to a 1 terabyte memory card, allowing you to store a massive 66 hours of high-quality 4K video footage before overwriting. Setting up your new safety companion is a breeze with its simple, straightforward installation process, backed by a generous 18-month warranty for your total peace of mind. Pros: this compact powerhouse offers incredible peace of mind by blending top-tier video quality with a discreet design that won't clutter your windshield. Its voice control feels like having a helpful assistant, keeping your hands on the wheel where they belong. Plus, the massive storage capacity means your memories are safe, while the supercapacitor handles harsh weather like a pro. Cons: while the 1 terabyte storage support is a fantastic feature, you will need to purchase that high-capacity card separately to maximize the recording time. Also, the 5G Wi-Fi is incredibly fast, but you'll want to ensure your smartphone is modern enough to fully support those snappy download speeds for your large 4K video files. Final thoughts: imagine driving with a silent guardian that never blinks. This little device isn't just a gadget, it's a commitment to your safety and the protection of your loved ones on the road. It feels truly empowering to know you have such high-quality evidence tucked away. Whether it's a scenic road trip or a daily commute, you can breathe easier knowing this reliable companion always has your back. Your safety deserves the very best technology available today. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Product and like this video to stay updated on the latest gear. See you in the next one.